Hi, this is Jeff Davis. I'm with Invisible Arts, and I'm here at the InfoComm LG booth for InfoComm 2026. We're going to show a couple of our partners today. We're looking at our beautiful 55-inch transparent OLED, and we have an enclosure here by Glass Media, which is portable and it's battery powered. Our product is the synthetic human that you're seeing on the screen. It's a middleware solution, and what we provide is an opportunity to have branded, multiple types of character interfaces to a middleware solution that connects to all of your CRM tools, your point of sale systems, your reward systems, and it gives your company the opportunity to expand your contact points in your business, enhance your retail opportunities, provide wayfinding, and run metrics and analytics that you don't normally get from a typical interface system. If you'd like to know more about us, we can be found at lgsolutions.com as well as bonvyda.com. And we appreciate your time, and we look forward to seeing you here.